Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through one of the most powerful features inside Outgrow, logic jumps. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to create personalized experiences using branch by answer, branch by score, or branch by value. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log in and open your quiz. Start by logging into Outgrow and heading to your dashboard. Choose a quiz, calculator, or assessment. You can start from scratch or use one of the ready-to-use pre-made templates. Now let's customize the quiz you want to edit. So take a content marketing success quiz, which already has all 8 questions. This is where we'll add our logic jumps. Step 2. Open logic jumps, branch by answer, score, or value. 1. Branch by answer. In Outgrow, each question has its own logic options. Simply open the question menu, click the 3 dots, select logic jump, and you'll see the logic jump window where you can hit the add condition button, set your if response to, choose operations, then where to jump to. Once everything is selected, click Done. 2. Branch by score or value. This is used for number fields, sliders, or text inputs, anything where a user enters a value. Use a number-based question and click Edit Logic Jump. Set conditions like is less than, is greater than, or is equal to based on the user's input value, and select the next relevant question. Step 3. Test your logic. Once your conditions are set, click Preview. Once you're done, preview your design on desktop, tablet, or phone mode. Step 4. Save and publish. Once everything looks good, hit Go Live and share your quiz via link, embed, or pop-up. Your quiz is now fully personalized with branch by answer, score, and value for a more engaging, conversion-ready experience. Transform your quiz into a dynamic, user-driven experience. Build with Outgrow's logic jumps. Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.